this video, we are going to solve a question on the transpose of matrices. Okay, so the question says find the transpose of A, which is given as that, and B, which is given as that. Okay, so to find the transpose of two matrices, we are simply reversing the rows and the columns, like we are replacing the rows with the columns and the columns with the rows. So it is a very simple solution. Okay, so let's take the first A. So A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So we are to find the transpose of A. So to find the transpose of this, what we need to put in our head is we take the row of this and the row of this becomes the column. So this the first row of A becomes the first column of the transpose. The second row of A becomes the second column of the transpose of A. Okay, so our A transpose now, so the first row becomes the first column. So in the first row we have 1, 2, and 3. So this becomes our first column. So that is 1, 2, and 3. Okay, now the second row becomes the second column of the transpose matrix. So this becomes 4, 5, and 6. Okay, so that is basically all. It's not difficult. So let's take the second one, B. So B now is 2 minus 1, 0, 3, minus 4, 5. So this is a 3 by 2 matrix. So when we find the transpose is basically the reverse. So when we find the transpose, we have to have a 2 by 3 matrix. It's just the reverse. Okay, so here again, B transpose, the first row will become the first column of our transpose matrix. The second row of our original matrix will become the second column of our transpose matrix, and the third row of the original matrix will become the third column of our transpose matrix. So this is it. So this now will be here 2 minus 1. So the first row is now our first column. The second row 0, 3 will become the second column, and the third row will become the third column. So minus 4 and 5. And what is this? This is a 2 by 3 matrix. So the transpose, you are simply reversing. So for this first one, A, this was a 2 by 3 matrix, and when we had the transpose, it became a 3 by 2 matrix. So the transpose is simply the reverse. So remember, when looking for the transpose of a matrix, we are reversing. So the rows will become the columns, and we follow them in order, we put them in order. So that is all for today, guys. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video.